Duckling logic. If you can't fly yet, improvise. Every step's practice for coordination and strength.
25 degrees. A shark could come right through there. 20 sharks for that matter.
The maggot, the origin, is slammed into a thermal vent.
That feeling when your plane takes off without you. Oh, come on. Anyone who says dogs always bully cats, or vice versa, definitely hasn't witnessed this lovely moment. Bet this kiddo has no idea about this, but he just gotta look like his Who man. For cats, a baby's fuzzy head is the ultimate spot for some quality skinship.
He waited all day for the perfect moment to be loud.
It wouldn't be right if kittens lived together without having some fun wrestling matches.
Ты текаешь, да? Давай.
Me showing up at my parents' house asking for food after blowing all my cash on nonsense.
That smile.
It's true that shyness never appears in the love of Gen Z.
Clearly rehearsing for its lead role in The Phantom of the Aquapera.
It's not just... Your mom would be so mad. Why is he sitting on my head? Mark, get set, go! Winner!
A simple hand in the sofa crack is all he needs for an entire full day.
Leave! No! Yeah. Leave him alone! Go away!
Thanks for joining the wildest cuddle session ever. The chicks didn't choose the club life chose them.
Okay.
That cougar walked up like, let me see the footage real quick.
Hey, it's okay.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, it's still alive.
You got one.
Bruh. Stop. Stop. No. Stop. 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 Yeah.
Oh my god, no. Dude, she's trying to lay an egg. Oh my god, dude. No. Dude, why? I was trying to film something nice.
I would never personally say something like that, but just so we're clear on that. You ready for the fight? We're my best friends!
People say training is hard, but this one's proving the opposite.
You watching? Idiot. Poppy.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're meeting Belgian Malinois, the world's most athletic, intense, and hilariously goofy police dogs. A rare furball who realizes that running away is nonsense and only makes the illness worse. Oh no, this might be why older siblings tend to have insomnia.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Why are you attacking me? Baby bear attack. The way you walked around is so...
Vet's secret weapon, cuddles, kisses, and emotional support.
Great minds think alike. Both want to open the door and exchange some martial movements.
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
Come on.
예쁘네, 어비숑. 어머, 선생님.
I guess we found the one thing she can't stay calm around. No matter how the day goes, this part is always worth it.
What'd you do? What'd you do? That was amazing.
Meet the kangaroo, one of the most fascinating and surprisingly tough animals on Earth.
Okay, oh my god.
Doggo's internal monologue. Alert! Something unnatural just happened.
I bet this goat has a second job as a stand-up comedian.
It's hard, and I kind of hate it. When's it get easier?
Why don't you ask Steve? He's the ethics master. I'm just a newbie, and I still kind of suck at it.
Yeah.
Eugene, this is the only way you're gonna get prepared for the kayak. You're okay. You're okay.
Leave to go to LA and I come back to 4 new turkeys. These are all wild turkeys that showed up on our property. Now, watch this. Ready?
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace.
Конечно, ее дело, но она на одной тележке стоит на пятерочке, а на второй на магните. Видимо, делает выбор.
Why is she so fast?
He trusted the human and got rewarded with elite level scratches.
Seems like someone is getting a masterclass in cooking and the final exam in tasting.
Come on, baby, time to get up. Mama needs to get up. I need to get up. I have to take chicken out for dinner. Please, you can come right back.